Our dear student of class 7th, I'm Ranjit sir. Now we are again start exercise 4B. This is the third part of this exercise. Before it, we solve the question number till to the question number 6 also. So we are start now question number 7 from this exercise 4B. Okay. Question number 7 says, which of the following statements are true? Okay, which of the following statements are true? There are given some statements, you know that which are the true and which are the false. Okay, only you write the right means the true answers. Okay, here you represent the true or false. First statement says minus 3 upon 5 lies to the left on, okay, minus 3 upon 5 lies to the left of 0 on the number line. Yes, you know that all the negative rational numbers lie on the left side of 0. Okay, you represent here as like 0 is here, minus 1, minus 2, okay, left side is represented negative rational numbers. So minus 3 upon 5 is a negative rational number, so it is lie on the number line left of 0, so it is true. Okay, second, minus 12 upon 7 lies to the right of 0 on the number line. This is false statement, student, because you know that the negative rational numbers lie on the number line left of the 0. So this is wrong. Not it is represented at the right side of the 0. So false. And here is third statement, 1 upon 3 and minus 5 upon 2 lie on opposite side of 0 on the number line. Yes, because 1 upon 3 is a positive rational number. This is represented at the number line right of the 0, and minus 5 upon 2 is a negative rational number. It is represented on the number line left side of the 0. So both numbers are opposite side on the number line of the 0. This is true. Okay, student. Next, fourth, minus 18 upon minus 30. You know that if numerator and denominator both having the same sign, that the number is a positive rational number. Okay, so minus 18 upon minus 13 is a positive rational number. Okay, statement says minus 18 upon minus 13 lies to the left of 0 on the number line, because you know that all the positive rational numbers lie on the right side of the 0 on the number line. Okay, so this statement is false, because minus 18 upon minus 13 is a positive rational number which is lie on the right side of the 0 of number line. Okay, false, student. And here is fifth, minus 5 upon minus 8 lies on the right of minus 5 upon 7 on the number line. Yes, this is true, because minus 5 upon minus 8 is a positive rational number, while minus 5 upon 7 is a negative rational number. You know that both the numbers lie on the opposite side of 0. Okay, so this is true statement. Okay, student. Okay. Next, question number 7 is complete. You write all the options and state true or false in the front of that statement. After that, question number 8. Question number 8 student. Question number 8 says find five rational numbers between -3 and -2. Okay, find five rational numbers between -3 and -2. Okay, so here is solution of this question. You know that both are rational numbers, so this number is represented in the form of numerator and denominator also. So we write -3 upon 1 and -2 upon 1 also. Okay, how many rational number you have to find it? Here is 5 rational number. Okay, so both the numbers, numerator and denominator, both. So both numerator and denominator is multiplied by the exceed of finding rational number. Finding rational number कितना बेटा 5 है, so we multiply numerator and denominator both by 6. Okay, both the rational numbers -2 upon 1 also multiply by 6 also. 3 6 18 student upon denominator 6 1 just 6, and another rational number is 6 2 12 12 upon 6 1 just 6 student. अभी क्या करना है बेटा, 18 से लेकर के 12 के बिटवीन जितने भी रेशनल नंबर्स होते हैं वो वही रेशनल नंबर -3 एंड -2 के बिटवीन लाई करते हैं. सो वी रिप्रेजेंट -18 upon 3, -18 upon 6. दिस इज योर गिवन नंबर्स जिसकी वैल्यू -3 आल्सो हो जाएगी बेटा. और अब देखिए -17 upon 6 -16 upon 6 -15 upon 6 -14 upon 6 -13 upon 6, and also your next number -2, which is right in the form of -12 upon 6 also. Okay, so we count here how many numbers lie between -3 and -5. You have exact finding the numbers 5 rational number between -3 and -6. First number count here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so in the case of negative, you know that which numerical value is less is greater number. Okay, so -18 upon 6 is greater than 2, -18 upon 6 is less than 2, -17 upon 6. Your finding number is that only this. Okay, so minus this 6 1 6 6 3 18 minus ये हो जाएगा बेटा आपका 3. ओके, एंड इसके बिटवीन्स के आप नंबर्स को राइट कर लेंगे. ये आपका गिवन नंबर्स है -17 upon 6 -16 upon 6 is less than to -15 upon 6 is less than to -14 upon 6 is less than to -13 upon 6 is also less than to -2. 6 1 6 6 2 12 -2. Okay, so write down this. After that, question number 9 from this exercise. Question number 9 says find 5 rational numbers between -1 and 1. Okay, how many rational number finding between -1 and 1? Here is only 5. So question asks them only digits are changed here. Okay, -1 and 1, -1 and 1. Okay, this is a smaller number and this is greater number. You know that all the positive number is greater than to all negative rational numbers. Solution. This is question number 9 also, student. Okay. Both the rational number represented in the form of numerator and denominator. So we write 1 upon minus 1 upon 1 and 1 upon 1 also. Finding rational number is 5. So its exceed rational number is 6. Okay. So both the numbers are multiplied by 6 minus 1 upon 1 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. Okay. And 1 upon 1 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. 6 1 the 6 minus 6 upon 6 and 1 6 the 6 6 upon 6. अभी इसके बिटवीन बेटा स्टूडेंट ओके बेटा इसके बिटवीन देखिएगा आपको कितने मिल रहा है -6 के बाद से लेकर के ठीक है आपको मिलेंगे 5 टू द 11 मिल रहा है क्योंकि -6 से लेकर के -1 तक आएंगे आपको 5 मिलेगा फिर 0 होगा ठीक 6 हो जाएगा फिर 1 से लेकर के 5 तक टोटल 11। जब आपका एक पॉजिटिव होता है एक नेगेटिव होता है तो ऐसे केस में जब आप एक्ससीड नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं 1 एक्ससीड नंबर ठीक तो फिर आपको जो रेशनल नंबर फाइंड होते हैं वो उसके ट्वाइस से 1 मोर फाइंड होता है ठीक और आप उसमें से कोई भी राइट कर सकते हैं ठीक बट when both the rational numbers are negative or positive then you find the exact rational number between both the given rational number from this method okay so we write -6 upon 6 is less than 2 इसके बाद आप राइट करो -5 upon 6 okay -3 upon -4 upon 6 ओके स्टूडेंट कुछ नेगेटिव और कुछ पॉजिटिव दोनों के राइट कर देता हूँ और 0 upon 6 बेटा ठीक क्योंकि आप नंबर लाइन को जब भी रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे देखिएगा अगर यहाँ बेटा आपका -6 है तो -5 -4 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 ऐसे होते हैं ना अब देखिए अगर सबका डिनोमिनेटर आप 6 राइट कर देंगे तो इसके बिटवीन इसके अगर इसका भी डिनोमिनेटर 6 इसका भी डिनोमिनेटर इन सबका डिनोमिनेटर अगर आप 6 राइट करेंगे इसके बिटवीन में देखिएगा काउंट करेंगे तो बेटा आपको कितने नंबर्स 11 नंबर्स फाइंड करेंगे ठीक तो अभी 0 upon 6 ले लिया फिर इसके बाद मान लो मैंने ले लिया 1 upon 6 2 upon 6 ले लिया 5 upon 6 ले लिया कोई बात नहीं ठीक नेक्स्ट नंबर आपका 6 upon 6 है ठीक तो आपको इसके बिटवीन काफ़ी नंबर्स आ जाएंगे लेकिन आपको 5 राइट करना है तो इतनी ही राइट करना है तो बिटवीन वाला नंबर केवल राइट करना है तो आप केवल इतने को राइट करो ना ये -5 upon 6 is less than to -4 upon 6 is less than to 0 upon 6 is less than to 1 upon 6 is less than to 5 upon 6. There are 5 rational numbers which lie between -1 and 1 also. Okay. So write down this. After that, student, here is last question of this exercise. Okay. Here is last question of this exercise. Question number 10 says find 5 rational numbers between -3 upon 5 and -1 upon 2. Okay, find 5 rational numbers between -3 upon 5 and -1 upon 2. So we write here -3 upon 5 and -1 upon 2. Okay student, So same method applying here also. Okay. Exceeding number of 5 is 6. You know. So minus 3 upon 5. First of all, you represent both the rational number as same denominator form. Okay. Minus 3 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 2. So LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So both the numbers represent in the form of same denominator. So minus 3 upon 5. 5 to the 10. So we multiply also the numerator by 2. Okay, next number minus 1 upon 2. 2 5s are 10. So we multiply numerator also by 5. Okay, minus 3 to the 6. 6 upon 10 here minus 5 upon 10 square. Okay. So finding this number is 5. So this exceeding number is 6. Both the numerator and denominator, both the number of numerator and denominator multiply by 6. 6 multiply 6 upon 10 multiply 6 and the number 5 multiply 6 upon 10 multiply 6 also. Okay student, 6 is 36 minus 36 upon 10 is 60 and here minus 6 5 is 30, 30 upon 10 is 60. Okay student, so therefore अब इसके बिटवीन के बेटा देखो 30 डिनोमिनेटर पे आप तो बिल्कुल ना दो, डिनोमिनेटर आपको वही रिप्रेजेंट करना है. सो वी चेक ओनली द न्यूमरेटर. Here is minus 36, here is minus 30. So we write the numbers between 30 and minus 36. Okay. Let's number as minus 35 upon 60 is less than 2. Minus 34 upon 60 is also less than 2. Minus 33 upon 60 is also less than 2. Minus 32 upon 60 is also less than 2. Minus 31 upon 60. So there are 5 rational numbers which lie between the minus 3 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 2 also. So this is your answer. There are many methods. There are infinite rational numbers between two rational numbers. So we write any rational numbers between two rational numbers, but that rational number lies between both the rational numbers. मीनिंग बेटा इसका ये होता है कि जो भी आपका रेशनल नंबर होगा, मीन्स ये आपका स्मॉलर है, ठीक, जो आपका स्मॉलर रहेगा उससे स्मॉल नहीं होना चाहिए, जो आपका ग्रेटर है उससे ग्रेटर नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक. स्मॉलर से जो बिल्कुल आपका स्मॉलर गिवन हो उससे स्मॉल नहीं होना चाहिए, और जो आपका ग्रेटर है बेटा उससे ग्रेटर नहीं होना चाहिए. मीन्स स्मॉलर और ग्रेटर के बिटवीन वाले ही नंबर्स उसके बिटवीन के नंबर्स कहलाते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो ये सारे मेथड्स थे जिससे आप यहाँ पर रेशनल नंबर्स को फाइंड करते हैं, ठीक है ना. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो ये आपका बेटा हो गया. ओके, तो यहाँ पे अगर आप कंडीशन को राइट करना चाहेंगे तो ये आप राइट कर सकते हैं. Therefore 5 rational numbers between minus 3 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 2. बस यहाँ से this. Okay student, so your this exercise is complete. Exercise 4b complete. Next time we start the method of for next exercise. Okay, there are some methods for addition of rational numbers. Okay, so we study in the next video. Okay, I hope that all the process, all the methods you know very well. Okay. So today's our lecture is end here. Okay. Thank you, student.